Hi everyone, this is my video about describe quickly. In this video I'm going to talk about what is operating system. Most of us think that operating system is the Windows and there is only one operating system, Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 8.1 XP. That means only Microsoft makes the operating system, most of us thinks, basically in our country. Now operating systems are more than that. There are a lot of types of operating systems. I'm gonna talk about that in my another video. So what is an operating system? Operating system is a software which controls the hardware, which allocates the hardware to do specific works. Like the softwares which we work with are dependent on the operating system. The operating system allocates RAM, CPU uses, and hard disk uses of that software for that software. Now, think about you're playing a game. Okay, now that game requires 1 GB RAM and high uses of your graphics card, but and then the processor is gonna allow them to do that. But when another program is running in the background, then like there's a notification in that program, then that program will pop up in front of you. But and the operating system will minimize the uses of RAM for the game and give the that amount of RAM to the program which pops up with the notification. These complex things are done by an operating system, and there are a lot of things of an operating system. Operating systems allow you to allow us normal users, like the users we who are more friendly with the GUI, graphic user interface, and operating system makes this environment, makes this GUI for us. Okay, now the most beautiful GUI I've ever seen is the Mac OS's GUI, but it's too much stable. It's like the most stable operating system I've ever seen is the Mac OS. But the thing is, Apple controls everything of the Mac OS, and Mac OS is not available for every PC. So, and Mac OS is basically for Macs, I mean Apple products, and there are some Hackintoshes too. But my PC configuration is not good for Hackintosh, so I go with Windows, and I love Windows. I'm a Microsoft fanboy, and I use Microsoft products way too much. Now, actually, I was talking about the operating systems. Now, the latest operating system of Microsoft is Windows 10. Windows 10 is stable. It has a lot of features, like it can control all your hardwares, and it can bring every juice out of your hardware. Like uh, I mean, last time I played game on Windows 8, I have an FPS of 69.8 FPS in Crysis 3. Now, when I played that same game in Windows 10, that was 72.3 FPS. Now, this is a minor change, but still there is a change, right? And last time I used my RAM. Last time my RAM was only 8 gigs in my computer. I was using Windows 10. The normal usage of my RAM was 3.8 gigabytes by the operating system, but when I upgraded to Windows 10, the RAM usage was only 2.9 GB by the system. So the workload on RAM has decreased now on, and the speed of everything has increased in Windows 10. Like when you add some features in your operating system, those things are upgraded. Your performance of PC is upgraded. So operating systems control the performance of your PC. Now, uh, I was too much talking about Mac, yeah, Windows. So now I'm gonna talk about Mac. The most the most uh, well-known feature of Mac OS is their attractive look, the look which attracts people to use use Macs. Now Macs are expensive, but they gets the work done too easily. Now too easily and too quickly. The Macs are fast, super fast, and there there is very less virus and bugs in Macs, and when you're gonna work in that environment, you're gonna feel good. So operating systems makes you feel good about using your PC, and it's too easy. Operating system makes your use of PC too easy for that, and you can use every feature of your hardware. Like you have a GPS, and if your operating system doesn't support GPS, then even if you have the hardware, you can't use your GPS. Now if your graphics card is not compatible with your operating system, then you, even having the graphics card, even having the hardware, uh, you can't use your graphics card because you don't have the software driver, which is connected to the operating system. Now basically these are the uses of operating system, and there are more, and some videos are coming up about operating system, types of operating systems, and which operating system I prefer, and what are the goods and bads of an operating system. Those are things are given. So basically this is it. Thank you for watching my video. This is Sakib Salman Shajib. If you think the video is good, you have learned something, please hit the like button. And if you think the video is not that good, it doesn't belong to YouTube, then hit the dislike button. So I'm gonna remove that if you want, and please subscribe. This helps a lot. And if you think your feeling is a bit complicated, then like and dislike, then there's a comment section below, you can comment that. Or if you want to know something from me, there's a comment section below. And thank you for watching my video.